Buy their photo. Okay, right. Okay, now I'm recording you guys. Right, so 13.10. Number 1A says convert into percentage form. So it was 24 over 75. Now we said if we want to convert that to percentage, we're just going to say times 100. Or you could have said 100 over 1, same thing. So it's going to be 32, and you have to say percent. Right? Or you could have said 32 over 100, but obviously this is the shorter way. Okay. Right, B. 1 and 3 over 10. Now you could have kept it like that and say times 100. Or you could have said 13 over 10 times 100. Okay, and that gave you how much? Okay, any questions there? Oops. Okay, then 2A says change these percentages into their equivalent fraction forms. Okay, so 42% is the same as 42 over 100. Now, is that the simplest form? No. Simplest form would be 21 over 50. Right, can I skip? Right, at B, they gave you 118%, and that is the same as 118 over 100. And simplest form would be 59 over 50. Okay, you guys good? Oh, you could have said 1 and 9 over 50, yes, but it wasn't necessary.
I wanted to ask what the percentages themselves, like when it's usually shown. Is the reason why, because obviously, let's say out of 12, 100% of 12 would be 12. But when it's like, say, 130%, is it so that they can make 30% profit?
Yes. Yeah.
But how do they work it out if they, how do you?
You're going to do that in MS, but basically, if you want to calculate selling price, you always take cost price, the amount of money, multiply that, and then we have a fraction. But the fraction would only be in percentage form. And what we want is always at the top. We want to calculate selling price over cost price. Okay, so let's say that you said it was 12 Rand. Right? Okay, times selling price would be 130%, and cost price is always 100%. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so then it means that the price here would be 15 Rand 60. Yeah. Okay. Can I delete? Okay. But you're going to do that in MS.
I was just wondering how people do that in the shop.
Yeah, but you are going to do that in MS as well. But I think only next year. You haven't done cost price, selling price, all of those. Okay, so it's only in grade 9 then. Okay, 3A, we want 6% of 250. Okay, so then 6% is 6 over 100 times, because it's of 250, and that should give you 15. You guys good with that? Yeah, same thing. 15 over 1 is also good. Okay, B. 88% of 40 is the same as 88 over 100 times, because it's of 40. So 88 divided by 100 times 40. And that is going to give you 35,2. Any questions there? Okay. at C, 120% of 58. So it would be 120 over 100 times 58. And you should have 69,6. Any questions there? Okay, can I skip? Anyone still copying? No one. All right. Now we're doing percentage increase and decrease. So number 1. Solve these word problems. For each problem, first identify whether it represents a percentage increase or decrease. Okay, at number 1 it says, the price of Jonah's favorite chocolate slab has changed from 5 Rand to 6 Rand. So first things first, increase or decrease? Increase. Okay, so we first have to identify that. Okay, now determine the percentage increase. Okay, so I'm simply going to say percentage increase is equal to. Is that okay? Okay, now we at the top we want the change in number value. So how did I get that? I'm going to say 6 Rand minus the 5 Rand. You didn't have to write out this full step. Over the original price, which was 5 Rand. And then we said we have to multiply it with 100. So actually, I have 1 over 5 times 100. And that gives me how much? 20%. Yeah.
I thought that we had to take. No, no, yeah, I read it again.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 says the population of lions in a game farm has changed from 20 to 17, in the last month. Okay, so would it be percentage increase or percentage decrease? Decrease. Okay, so it's going to be percentage decrease. Okay, determine the percentage decrease in the population. Okay, so how do I get the difference? I'm going to say 20 minus 17 over the original of 20. It was 20, right? So times 100. Make sure that your bottom part is 20 and not 17. Okay. No, you could have skipped to 3 over 20 times 100. Okay. Right. And you should have 15. So it was 15% decrease. Okay. Any questions there? Can I just quickly show you guys? If I didn't have decrease here, right, then yeah, no, sorry, rephrase, nothing. Okay, can I skip? Okay, last one, number 3 says the price of lamp oil will increase by 6% at the end of the month. If lamp oil sells for 12 Rand now, what will the new price next month be? Okay, so let's first work out what is the amount of increase. And we said to get that, we want to basically work out what is 6% of 12 Rand. Do you guys agree? Okay, so we're going to say 6 over 100 times the 12 Rand. Okay, and that's going to give me 72 cents. Okay, now, if I want to work out the price of oil next month. Ooh. I'm going to say it was 12 Rand and it is now going to increase. So I add, with how much is it going to increase? With 72 cents. So which means that the new price would be 12 Rand 72. Any questions? You guys good? Right. Then we are done with yes. We're hoping for percentage increase as well in this term. Okay, so now we are skipping to next chapter, which is 15, I think. Yes. Chapter 15. I'll tell you pages just now. Page 176.